Hello, welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make grape juice. It will be a bit difficult for the first time, but as soon as you get the hang of it, it will be easy breezy. So please watch till the end, and if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe. Thank you. If you haven't seen my previous video, go watch it now before you watch this video so you can see when we pick the grapes and the unboxing of the juicer/steamer that I'm going to use to make the grape juice in this video. The link is in the description box. For canning the grape juice, you're going to need 1 liter mason jars. The amount you need depends on the quantity of grapes you have. For our 2 bushels of grapes, we use around 36 to 38 mason jars, and make sure to sterilize the mason jars before canning. The first step is to wash the grapes. You can take the grapes off the vine before you wash them, but to me it's easier to wash them on the vine than take them off. The next step is to fill the water pot up to the water level mark, then set the juice container on top. Make sure the drain tube with the clamp is in place. Place the grapes in the steamer and set on top of the juice container. Now place the lid on top and steam the grapes for 50 to 60 minutes. The grape juice is ready to drain when you see that it reaches the top. To sterilize my mason jars, first I wash them in a dishwasher, then I fill them up with hot water and place them in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then I soak the lids in hot water on the stovetop on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. This process should be done close to when you're ready for them because the bottles have to be hot when pouring the grape juice in them. Now drain the juice into the mason jars. The hose will get hot, so be very careful. Then you're going to take the lid out of the water right when you're ready to close the jar and seal tight. So when you're done, store the mesa jars in a cool place. It can be stored for up to 18 months. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in my next video. Bye.